What if I told you you're just 10 habits away from living a life most people only dream of? Rich people aren't just lucky, they think, act, and live differently. And if you're in your 20s or 30s, this might be the most important video you ever watch. Because by the time we're done, you'll know the 10 silent money habits the wealthy practice that most people completely ignore. Ready to flip the script on your financial future? Let's go. Act 1. Awareness 1. They pay themselves. First, before bills, before expenses, before anything. Rich people treat themselves like a business. They invest in themselves first. Poor mindset, let me see what's left. Rich mindset, let me decide what I keep. Interrupt, would you work for a boss who never pays you? No. Then why do you treat yourself that way? 2. They avoid lifestyle creep. You got a raise, and suddenly there's a new phone, new car, new wardrobe. That's lifestyle creep. Rich people increase income, not expenses. They upgrade their assets, not their sneakers. 3. They use debt strategically. Most people fear debt. Rich people leverage it. They don't swipe for liabilities. They invest borrowed money into cash-flowing assets. Think real estate, businesses, investments. Cliffhanger. Later on, I'll tell you exactly how they use debt to make money while they sleep. 4. They automate their finances. Wealthy people don't hope to save. They set it up automatically. Savings, investments, bills, all on autopilot. Why? Because systems don't forget. People do. T2. Conflict. 5. They focus on net worth, not just income. Making $10,000 a month sounds great, but if you're spending $9,999, you're broke. Rich people ask, how much am I worth? Not just what I earn. Assets minus liabilities equals wealth. 6. They learn. Every single day. Podcasts, books, mentors, courses. They treat learning like a second job. Humorous reset. You binge Netflix. They binge Naval Ravikant and Warren Buffett. Who do you think wins? 7. They build multiple income streams. One job, one rope. Rich people weave multiple ropes. Side hustles, investments, digital products, rentals. If one breaks, the others hold strong. Act 3. Transformation. 8. They protect their time like money. Time is their currency. Every yes to nonsense is a no to their vision. They delegate, automate, eliminate to focus only on high-impact work. 9. They surround themselves with winners. Ever heard you're the average of the 5 people you hang out with? Rich people don't take that lightly. They intentionally choose their circle. Thinkers, doers, winners. 10. They take massive calculated risks. Wealth doesn't grow in comfort zones. Rich people jump, but only after doing the math. They're not reckless, they're fearless. So, how many of these 10 habits do you practice right now? If your answer is 3 or less, don't panic. But don't stay still either. Start with just one habit, one shift, one change. That's how every millionaire begins. If you found value in this video, smash that like button, subscribe to Pocket Fuel, and turn on notifications. We're just getting started, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Remember, money is a tool, wealth is a mindset, and your time starts now.